Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to create an eTrade account. First, let's explore the different account types available, such as individual brokerage, retirement accounts like IRAs, or even managed portfolios. Choosing the right account depends on your financial goals. You will need to gather some basic personal information and consider your investment objectives before you begin the application process. This initial step is crucial for a smooth setup. Next, you will provide your personal information. This includes your full legal name, address, date of birth, and your social security number. You will also need to specify your employment status and annual income. After that, you will choose how to fund your new account. Options typically include electronic funds transfer from a bank, a check deposit, or even rolling over an existing retirement account. It's a straightforward process. Now, it's time to set up your investment profile. eTrade will ask you a series of questions to understand your investment experience, risk tolerance, and financial objectives. This helps them suggest suitable options. Take your time to answer these questions honestly. Before you finalize anything, thoroughly review all the information you have entered. Double-check every detail to ensure accuracy and prevent any future issues with your account. Once you submit your application, you will typically receive a confirmation email within a few minutes, outlining the next steps and providing your account number. Account approval usually takes 1 to 3 business days. After approval, you can log in and begin exploring the eTrade platform. Familiarize yourself with the trading tools, research resources, and educational materials available to help you manage your new investments effectively. Congratulations on opening your account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.